partner's life.
We come all together, we're unstoppable. Let's go, girls!
We are the distributor of Gulf Oil in Rizal, Marikina, and North NCR. Kami naman, we are here to really build a stronger partnership with you. Something long-term, something that's also win-win for everyone. And we're committing to delivering as much value as we can.
After this about partnerships, there are more promos coming.
It's really good to see you here. And thank you so much. And we really appreciate your effort, everyone, for being with us tonight.
Yes. Drum roll, please. On the table, everybody.
Para first vehicle nila yung mga crossovers, yung mga tipo na sasakyan.
Ginawa namin itong program na to for you guys na mga business partner namin.
It's a one-year program working. Dito na po pumapasok yung mga loyalty rewards natin, exclusive quarterly rebates, and yung mga exclusive perks na meron ang isang member na hindi maa-avail itong mga hindi nag-enroll to this program. Basically, we want to help you grow your business.
Yeah!